Hi, I'm Nicholas from the Single Dad Nomad, and today I'm in Medellin. I found a beautiful 2-bedroom apartment for myself and my daughter. There are a ton of amenities. It's a gated community downstairs. We're up on the 12th floor, so we've got a beautiful view. As you can see, there's a park within the gated area. There are 2 more outdoor parks where we can exercise. There's a free pool that's just 5 minutes walk away inside of this park that's back here. So we found a really nice location, and I want to share it with you guys today. So come on with me and let's take a tour of this apartment. So let's start off right here in the kitchen where all the food happens. We have a really nice stainless steel countertop. It's super easy to clean. A really deep basin right here. Again, makes it really easy to take care of everything. And again, this is a fully stocked kitchen, so it has all the pots and pans. It's got cups, bowls, forks, everything you could need. Things that I don't even know how to use them really. We have 4 burners back here. A microwave, a sandwich maker, a blender, a coffee maker. Yeah, we've got a lot going on in this kitchen. There is a phone here that we can use to call down to the security downstairs. There's another phone with service. We got our Wi-Fi stand here. A great little kitchen for this place, perfect for us to stay for a few months. So let's move on. This is the front door behind me. Actually, we got a nice little, I don't know what that thing is called. It's like a bunch of dead trees or something. I suppose that passes as art these days. So here you're gonna have a pretty good look at our living room. You can't see everything here. My dining table's in front of me. But you can see we got the big screen TV. We got a nice little couch. Little ottoman to put our feet on. This has been really comfortable. Probably the best part about this place is the view of this window back here. So let's check that out. So here's looking from the other direction. You can see that this is going again through the living room. You can see from end to end, so that's nice. Taking a walk down the hallway, let's go see what the bathroom looks like. So not a great place to shoot video, but a really nice place to take a shower. I love this shower head behind us. It's one of those rain style ones and it gets really hot. Just a standard toilet, I guess. Works well, flushes. Back through the hallway again. Let's take a stop in my daughter's bedroom and see what that looks like. Can't promise it's gonna be super clean. We'll see.
I heard that.
So here's the view of my daughter's bedroom. She doesn't really want to be in this video today. That's totally cool. She's got a nice little satin sheet here. She's got some horses up there. She likes it. Not a huge room, which is good, but it's got plenty of closet space. It's got really everything she needs. And last but not least, let's go to the most important room where I sleep. So here it is. This is where I sleep. Nice little bedroom. I got a fan up there, some art, comfy bed, and I also have my own TV. That's true, I never really use it though. Another view, look at that view. Stellar, yo. So thank you for touring this apartment with me today. I'm sure there is one question that's on all your mind. How much does this place cost per month? And I'll let you know right now, it's $600 per month. That's on Airbnb.